Good morning, Sanamika. Okay, good morning. Where is one ingada? Very good. One block எடுத்து வைங்க. Take one block.
One.
Yes, one மட்டும் வந்து வைங்க. வைங்க. Very good. Where is number 2? 2 எங்க சொல்லுங்க. 2 சொல்லு. எங்க இருக்கு? 2 எங்க இருக்கு? 2 எங்க இருக்கு? 2. Very good. 2 blocks வைங்க. 1.
One.
2 மட்டும் வச்சா போதும். 2 வைங்க.
Two.
Very good. Where is number 3? 3 எங்கடா? Very good. 3 மா Sanamikaக்கு. Okay, 3 blocks count பண்ணுங்க.
One.
2. Slow join பண்ணு. 2. No. Take one more block. 3. That is 3. 3. 3 வச்சுருங்க. Thank you, Sanamika. Good morning, Rudresh. Yes, Tango. Where is number 1? 1 எங்கம்மா? Very good. Take one block. Keep it on 1. Very good. Where is number 2? 2 எங்கம்மா? Okay. Where is 2? 2 எங்க? Very good. Where is number 3? 3 எங்கம்மா? Show me first. காட்டுங்க. Which is 3? 3 எங்கம்மா இருக்கு? Yes. Now keep 3 blocks. 1. One more. இன்னொரு ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. Now. 3. Keep it on 3. Thank you, Rudresh. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, Daran. Yes, where is number 1? 1 எங்கம்மா? Where is number 1? Yes. Keep one block. One block மட்டும் வைங்க. Yes, keep it. Very good. Where is number 2? 2 எங்கம்மா? 2 எங்க? 2 எங்கம்மா? Wow, super Darun. 2 blocks count பண்ணுங்க. 1. 2. Very good. 2ல வச்சிடுங்க. Very good. Where is number 3? 3 எங்கம்மா? 3 எங்க? 3. Very good. 3 blocks count பண்ணுங்க. 1. 3. Take one more block. 3. Yes, keep it on 3. Very good. Thank you, Darun. Good morning, Swastika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, where is number 5? 5 எங்கடா இருக்கு? Yes. Can you count 5 blocks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Super. Where is number 2?
1, 2,
Good. Where is number 3?
1, 2, 3,
3 only, no? 3. Very good. Where is number 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Thank you, Swastika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Mamika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Where is number 1? 1 எங்கடா? 1 எங்க இருக்கு? Okay, 1 block எடுத்து வைங்க. Keep 1 block. 1ல வச்சுங்க. Okay. Where is number 2? Number 2 எங்கடா? Number 2. No. Where is number 2? Okay, 2 blocks வைங்க. 1. 2. Yes. Join பண்ணிட்டாங்க வைங்க. 2ல வச்சுருங்க. Very good. Where is number 3? 3 எங்கடா? 3 எங்க? 3. Where is 3? This is 3.
This is 3.
Okay, count 3 blocks. 1.
1,
2 எடுங்க. இந்த இது வச்சுக்கோ. 2.
2,
இங்க கொடு. 2.
2, 3.
Join பண்ணுங்க. 2. Take this one. 3. Keep it on 3. 3 வைங்க. Very good, Mamika. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adhiran.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Where is number 2, Adhiran? 2 எங்க மாக்க?
2,
Yes. Count 2 blocks. 1. 2 தானே. Don't take. Keep the 2 blocks. Very good. Where is number 5? 5 எங்கம்மா? 5 எங்க? 5. Okay. Count 5 blocks. 1. 2. சொல்லு 3. 4. And 5. That's all. Keep it on 5. Very good. Where is number 3? 3 எங்கம்மா? Count 3 blocks.
3,
Okay, keep it on the 3 block. Very good. Where is number 4? 4 எங்க இருக்கு? 4. Yes, count 4 blocks. 1.
2,
3
3,
and 4. 4. Keep it. Thank you, Adhiran.
Thank you, ma'am.